Hey everyone, it's Joe with Ink&Iron, and I'm back today to show you how to put a sharpening choil onto a knife that doesn't have one. This is a Spyderco Paramilitary 2. They don't normally come with a sharpening choil for some reason, so I'm going to show you how to put one on. The only tools I'm using are a diamond round file. It's a 3mm diameter. 0.12 inches, and basically the goal, as you can see right where the grind begins and where sort of the regular stock begins right there, they intersect in this ugly little area right here. My goal is to put a groove right here so that I have a nice exposed edge all the way across, and then when I'm sharpening I won't be liable to take the stone and kind of hop off and grind into here, which is what I experience with a grind with no choil. So I went ahead and marked the other side. Should be about 3 mil. Yeah, pretty close. So I am going to try and just ride this stock right here. This might sound awful, so I'm going to stop talking while I do it. But yeah, that's it. And my advice for starting is you come a little bit off of it and just start swiping it. It's going to resist, because this is S30V, so it's going to take time. Don't rush it. It shouldn't take that long in my experience. It takes about 15 minutes, I guess, once you start the notch in here. So yeah, let me quit talking in case I have to cut the sound of this awful filing out. So this is about as shallow as I want it. I'll probably go a little bit deeper, but it's been about 10 minutes and made almost all the progress that most people are going to need, I think. So yeah, about 10 minutes with a diamond file, and it's going to make sharpening just that much cleaner looking. I'm going to give it a little more. I think that'll pretty much do it. May have to deepen it later, but yeah, here we are, 14 minutes. Not too bad. You will get some metal filings, things that can make this easier. Start the notch with a Dremel and finish with this. Chuck this bad boy into a vise. Obviously protect it so it doesn't get damaged in the process, but yeah, holding it by hand is I just wanted to show you how the very basic elements of this procedure is like a file, maybe a Sharpie if you feel like it, and the knife. It's dead easy. Take your time, go slow. If you go too fast, you're liable to like jump off, and let me tell you, this diamond pick, it'll scratch your knife. It'll scratch it good. Alright, and that is how you make a sharpening choil on a knife. And that's not going to stay in place. Anyway, this has been Joe, and if you liked it, hit like, give me a comment. I'm always taking comments and suggestions. I actually am using a new microphone today, so let me know if the sound quality has improved. Alright guys, take care. See you next video.